Welcome to today's video, where we'll be exploring a common issue that many developers face when working with Apache Kafka on Google Cloud Platform, GCP, establishing a successful connection with Kafkajs. If you're building real-time data pipelines or event-driven architectures, chances are you've encountered this problem at some point. In this video, we'll dive into the reasons behind this issue and provide a step-by-step guide on how to resolve it. Apache Kafka is a powerful tool for handling high throughput and provides low latency, fault-tolerant, and scalable data processing. However, when using Kafkajs with GCP, things can get tricky. Many developers struggle to establish a connection, leading to frustration and wasted time. But don't worry, we've got you covered. So, why does this issue occur in the first place? The problem lies in the way Kafkajs connects to Kafka brokers on GCP.ai. By default, Kafkajs uses a plaintext connection, which is not supported by GCP's Kafka service. To establish a successful connection, you need to use SLTL's encryption. Here's what happens when you try to connect without subtles. 1. Kafkajs sends a connection request to the Kafka broker. 2. The broker responds with a TLS handshake failure. 3. Kafkajs receives the error and terminates the connection. To resolve this issue, you need to configure your Kafkajs client to use Settles encryption. This involves generating a certificate authority, K, file, and a client, certificate file. Imagine you're trying to access a secure website. You need to provide identification to prove who you are. In this case, the CA file serves as that identification, verifying the identity of your Kafka broker. The client certificate file is like your personal ID card, authenticating your Kafkajs client. Once you have these files in place, you can update your Kafkajs configuration to use SSL's encryption. This involves setting the SL and K properties in your connection options. Think of it like this: when you're using a secure internet connection, HTTPS, your browser verifies the website's identity using its K file. Similarly, with Kafkajs, you need to verify the Kafka broker's identity using its K file. To summarize, the issue occurs due to plaintext connections not being supported by GCP's Kafka service. To resolve this, you need to configure your Kafkajs client to use Settles encryption. This involves generating a certificate authority, KO, and a client certificate file. Update your Kafkajs configuration with the LCSL and K properties in your connection options. That's it for today's video. We've explored the common issue of establishing a successful connection with Kafkajs on GCP, Apache, Kafka. By understanding the root cause and following the steps outlined, you should now be able to resolve this problem and get back to building your real-time data pipelines or event-driven architectures. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content on solving common issues with Apache Kafka and GCP. We'll see you in the next video.